Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for the month of March. So when you open it up, you'll get one of these. So I'll put the prices down below of how much this box costs. So you get this every single month. And so they pick out 6 products, and for one of them you get to pick out the shade. So they will have like full size products, and like some are full size and then some are sample size or travel size. But yeah, so you get one of these. So these tell you the prices, the products inside, where to buy them, yeah. And then, so the Reader's Choice Awards, you can vote. Here's the QR code, or you can just type it into Google. Reader's Choice, Allure's Reader Choice Awards for 2026. And you can vote on each product you like, or the brands and stuff that you like, that you use this year. So yeah. And so when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. So the first one in my box is the Melt Away Hair Dissolving Cream, and this is in Guava Body, so this is for face and body. So this is what it looks like. But so it effortlessly removes undesired hair from head to toe with our gentle botanical rich formula, deliciously scented like fresh guava fruit. So basically, so it helps soften while delivering a magical hair remover experience on even the most sensitive areas and skin types. So this has 200 milliliters or 6.7 ounces. I never heard of this brand before, so this is going to be interesting to try. And this is cruelty free. So, and this is made in Spain, which is, I found pretty interesting. But yeah, and I think the brand is Roxy. I don't know. So, oh yeah, the brand is I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, so I will put it down below. It's Wasky Scented Hair Removal Cream. Is either in Guava Butter or Mango Magic. So I have it in Guava Butter. So yeah. Oh, and this costs $20, and this is a full-size product. So the first one. So the next one in my box is True Skin, and this is the sculpted lip liner in Mulberry. So this is what it looks like. And then this is what it looks like. And then when you open it up, and this is what it looks like. So I never heard of this brand before, so that's the first. So yeah. So this is $26, and this is definitely a full-size product. So yeah. So the next one in my box is from Rose Inc. This is the Blush Divine Radiant Lip and Cheek Color. This is what it looks like. And it's in shade Foxglove. So this is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. And so it has a nice mirror, but the little protection thing on it. And then that is what it looks like. So this cost, this was I forgot to pick out my shade for this box, but, so you can get it in Foxglove, Hydrangea, Azalea, or Hello Troop. And this is definitely a full-size product. This is $32. So this costs $32, so yeah. The next one is the Blossom Essentials Hydration Oil. This is 1.9 ounces or 56 milliliters. So this is what it looks like. I have heard of this product before. I have their lip one. Okay. And this is what it looks like. So it has macula and golden joba, and there's no artificial fragrances, sulfate, paraben free, and this is also vegan. And this is also, did I say cruelty free? No. So this is cruelty free. So yeah. I have their lip mask. I got it in the last box. So yeah. I haven't tried it yet, but I will try it and let you know my thoughts on it. But so this is full size, so this costs $34. Yeah. So this is, the next one is the Grown Alchemist. This is 65 milliliters or 2.1 ounces. And this is what it looks like. And it's the Soothing Hand Cream. Hopefully I don't break out like I did with the other two products. Yeah. So, and this is what it looks like. So, so this is definitely a full-size product, and this is this costs $32. But, yeah. And then the next one is the Lumi, which I have heard of before because of all the commercials. So this is the deodorant with clinical strength sweet control in soft powder. Yeah, it smells like powder. So, whoops. This is what it looks like. So when you open it up, that white stuff is what it looks like. So it's a solid like stick. I normally like the gel ones better. I just like those better than solid stick ones. I don't know, just my preference. So this cost $15 for 2.6 ounces, and this is 0.5 ounces. So yeah, so this is our first travel size, kind of. Sample size maybe, but yeah. The next one is the Keratin Calming Water Pad. This is from Skin Food. Is this a Korean? Yep, Korean skincare beauty. So this is a K-beauty, and this is also vegan, and so there's 2 pads in here. So, and this cost $19 for 60 pads, which I don't think that's bad for 60 pads, because there's a lot more expensive like pads like for toners. So I think this will be better, I guess, but I will let you know my thoughts on these products, and let me know in the comments down below if you tried any of these products, which ones are your favorite. And thank you for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!